Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Roblox hair in Blender for beginners. First, you'll need to install Blender, a powerful and free three-dimensional modeling software. Ensure your Blender version is up to date for the best experience. Next, familiarize yourself with Roblox's specific hair asset requirements, such as polygon count limits, which are typically around 4,000 to 10,000 triangles. Finally, set up your Blender workspace to optimize your hair creation workflow, making it easier to navigate and model effectively. Now, let's dive into modeling your hair strands. Begin by using basic Blender shapes, like planes or simple curves, to form the initial structure of your hair. You can then employ modifiers, such as the subdivision surface, to smooth out the geometry and add detail without increasing the base mesh complexity too much. Remember to focus on creating a low polygon base mesh, ideally keeping it under 10,000 triangles, which is crucial for optimal performance within the Roblox platform. Once your hair model is complete, it's time for texturing and UV mapping. First, unwrap your hair mesh to prepare it for texture application, ensuring all parts are properly laid out. Next, you'll either create your own hair textures or import suitable ones, making sure they include transparency for a realistic look. Finally, apply these textures in Blender, carefully adjusting material settings like roughness and transparency to achieve the desired visual effect for your hair. The final step is exporting your custom hair to Roblox Studio. Export your finished hair model from Blender as an FBX file, which is the preferred format for Roblox. Once exported, import the FBX file directly into Roblox Studio. Here, you'll adjust its properties, such as its attachment point and scale, to fit your character perfectly. Always test the hair on a character model to ensure proper fit, animation, and overall appearance before finalizing your creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.